So you can see this person here was able to generate $500 a week just using the method that I'm about to reveal to you. Here's another person up 3 more sales, almost too easy. What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. Inside this video, I'm gonna reveal to you exactly how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing and Google Ads. And the beautiful thing is you don't have to have any previous experience, no tech skills, and you don't even need to invest more than about $10 a day into these ads to start to generate consistent commissions online. Now, before I dive into this exact method on how this works, I want to answer a question I've been getting recently. A lot of people were asking me, Garrett, what affiliate program do you recommend to make the most amount of money with the least amount of work? I'm going to include a link directly below to a free video revealing much more information, so you can go ahead and check that out and really ramp up your results so you can make the most amount of money as fast as possible. But without further ado, let me go ahead and break down this Google Ads affiliate marketing strategy so you can go out there and get results as soon as this week. Okay, now with this method, you can really promote any affiliate product you want. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna find the product on clickbank.com. So if you go to ClickBank, if you don't have an account, it's totally free to join. Takes just a few minutes. You just want to click start here, go through the simple process and answer the questions, and then you'll typically get approved within the day, okay? Now, once you're actually approved, you want to go into your back office and you want to click the tab and go under Marketplace. This is going to list all these different categories of products that we can actually find to promote, okay? So they have arts and entertainment, cooking, food, and wine. But one category that works really well with this method that you can just copy me in this video is self-help, okay? So if we click self-help, that's gonna actually do a drop down, and we wanna click dating guides, okay? And now we wanna go to the very top, and you always wanna sort results by gravity on ClickBank. Now, gravity is basically a score on how many other people are successfully making sales promoting the same product. So if other people are making a lot of sales with it, chances are you're gonna make a lot of sales also. So we sort results by gravity. You also wanna consider the average dollar per conversion. This is how much money you're typically gonna make after all the upsells and the downsells, okay? So the higher average dollar per conversion and gravity score is gonna be a great product to promote. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna promote a product called the Obsession Method. Now, what we wanna do is we actually wanna open this up, okay? And it's gonna view the sales page. Now, every product sales page is gonna be slightly different. Tweak it to the product that you're promoting, but this is gonna work incredibly well. So what you can actually do is if you're on a mobile device, you can take a screenshot, or if you're on a desktop, you can use a free tool like a snipping tool here, and we can go ahead and snip this, okay? And you just wanna take a photo of what's on the sales page, okay? Just like that. Okay, go ahead and save it somewhere handy because we're gonna use it in just a second. Now, the next step is to go to a website called Google Sites. A lot of people don't know about this, but you're able to create websites totally for free, and you can just click this blank here to start from scratch. Now, the reason we're gonna create this website very easily is because you can't direct link from Google Ads to an affiliate link, okay? They don't like that. So we're gonna actually use this to get around it and link to this page and then link to our affiliate link. So stick with me because it's very, very simple, okay? So we wanna click header type and we wanna click title only. Now we wanna actually put in a headline that has to do with something about the product that's very enticing, curiosity building. Now, often sales pages will actually have a headline. This one doesn't, okay? This isn't really a headline. So what we can do is actually write something that has to do with the product. So I know this has to do with, getting people and women obsessed with you, okay? So I can go ahead and say, get your ideal dream lover obsessed with you today. Something like that. And then I can go ahead and make this look a little bit nicer, okay? Go ahead and do that. I can highlight, change the color, okay, to black. I can bold this, and that's looking pretty darn good. Now we wanna go to the right and we actually want to add an image, and we wanna just upload the image that we screenshotted or we snipped from our computer to this page here. Okay, so that's looking pretty good right there. And then we wanna go over here under content blocks and we wanna click button. Now the name is gonna be the text that shows up on the button. So I can say, click here to watch the full video. Now for the link, we wanna go back to ClickBank and we actually wanna click promote, and we wanna take our affiliate link and put it there, okay? So click generate hop link and then copy this link here. This is gonna be your affiliate link. So whenever someone goes to that link and buys the product, you will actually get credit and and you will be able to earn money. So we can go ahead and paste that link in there and then hit insert. Now I can go ahead and make this bigger, and I can also center it like that. And that's looking pretty good. So now we can go to the top right and click publish. And then I can put a few words, you know, that has to do with the product. So I can say make her obsess. And then I can just go ahead and hit publish. And then we can actually view what this looks like, okay? So someone's gonna arrive to this page. It has the video and it says click here to watch the full video. And then when they click that, it's gonna go to our affiliate link. That's gonna start working incredibly well. Now, once we have this page here, now what we wanna do is we wanna go back to the product on ClickBank, and we want to go to the affiliate page here, okay? This is actually a page where typically really good products on ClickBank, products that are selling well, they'll give you resources that you can use to better promote that product, okay? So this one actually has pay-per-click keywords that we can use for our ads. So we don't even have to research what keywords to run our ads on Google. So just click PPC keywords, and you can see right here, if I open that up, it's gonna share with us this list of keywords here. So it even gives you the ad groups. You can see right here, it gives you all these different keywords, which is incredibly powerful because this is already done for you. You just have to spend the $10 or so a day and start to get targeted traffic to your affiliate link so you can start making your first $1,000 online. So the next step is we want to actually start creating our Google ads. So we want to go to Google Ads, and if you don't have an account, it's very simple to create one. Again, this is totally free until obviously you start running the ads, which does take, like I said, about $10 a day. So go ahead and click start now, and you can go through the process. It's very simple. They ask, you know, create a username, password, very basic stuff. And once you're inside your account, now we want to actually create our first campaign. So we want to click this button here that says new campaign, and we want to do website traffic because we're wanting to get people to go to our page on Google Sites, which will lead them to our affiliate link. The next step is we want to actually hit continue, and we want to hit search, okay? Because this ad is going to actually show up under Google when people search for those specific keywords. So let me share with you an example. So the way Google Ads works is basically when people type in a keyword, like for example, how to get her obsessed with me, and they hit enter, then basically our ad is going to show up here, okay? And you can see other people are running ads on that keyword now, and this will link again to this page here, which will link to our affiliate link. So if we go back here, the next step is we want to actually name the campaign. So I can say, you know, the obsession method, okay, which is the name of the product I'm promoting, hit continue. And then we just want to go through the very simple process to create an ad. We want to set our daily budget. Like I said, you can just do $10 a day right here, and then you can go ahead and go further, okay? So we want to hit next. We want to uncheck display network. We only want to show it on the search network, which is basically going to ensure that it's Google. Now for the locations, this is very important. We want to target people typically that are in the United States and Canada. This is going to be the best quality traffic, the people that typically have the most money to invest into different products. So we want to do that. Languages, you can put English if the product is in English. If the product is obviously in Spanish or another language, you want to choose that language as well. And then enter keywords, okay? So this is where we want to actually put in our keywords, okay, right here. So what we want to do is we want to go back to this here, and I want to actually copy the keywords that are going to be in this ad group of approach. So if we copy this, we don't just want to paste it right into there because there's actually 3 different types of keyword matches, okay? So for example, if I just paste those keywords in, then it's going to be a broad match, meaning anyone who types those words, but also words similar, are going to see our ads. And sometimes the similar words aren't what we're wanting. Now, if you just do another type's exact match, or you can do phrase match, and that's what I recommend you do because this gives you more flexibility, but it also ensures that it contains the words we want. So you can actually go over to a site called Browserling.com. It's a totally free tool that will actually add the code to these words that we will be able to do phrase match, okay? So we want to paste in those keywords here, and then prefix string, we want to add the quote sign, and then for suffix, we want to add the quote sign, okay? And we want to click append prefix and suffix, and it automatically adds the quotes, okay? Because when these little quotes are around the keyword, now it's a phrase match, and now it will show up for the right keywords that we want. So we want to copy this, we want to go back to Google Ads, and we want to paste in that right there. Now for the final URL, we want to actually use our Google site link. So we want to copy that, go back here, and then we can go ahead and paste that in just like that. Now, for the headline, this is what's gonna show up when people search it, okay? So when people search, this is their headline. So we wanna make this related to what we're actually promoting. So I can say, you know, get her obsessed with you, okay? Because that's the result they want. You wanna make this result focused, okay? So let me go ahead and type that title in right there, and you can see that it's starting to show up here. Get her obsessed with you. And then for the second headline, typically you can do a call to action, okay? So you can say, you know, watch this full video now. So that right there is pretty good. It has a result focused headline, and then it has a call to action after. Now, we can actually enter a description. So I can say something like, free video reveals exactly how to get her obsessed with you by tonight. So that's a pretty good description. Now the description is gonna show up under the headline. Okay, you can see right here, this is their description there, right? Now for the description, again, you can just plug and play this with the product that you're promoting. So if you're promoting a weight loss product, you can say, you know, free video reveals how to lose, you know, 7 pounds in 10 days. Just modify this to what you're promoting, and this will work very well. And then all you have to do is just go next, and then go ahead and attach a debit or credit card, so you can go ahead and paying the $10 a day, and you will start getting people to see your ad here. They'll click it, they'll get taken to this page, they'll click this thing, and then they will actually be able to see this. And when they add to cart, you will start to make these sales. And like I said, as long as you're making, you know, at least 1 or 2 sales before you spend the $60, which is the average dollar per conversion, you're in profit, and you're gonna start to make, you know, your first $1,000 online. Well, there we have it, my friend. I really hope you got a ton of value. Like I said, I'm gonna include the link directly below to the free training revealing my #1 affiliate program that you can actually use with this method to make even more money. Also, be sure to subscribe with the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. I'm gonna be posting weekly videos just like this, so you don't wanna miss out on those. And until next time, my friend, I hope you got value, and I will see you on my next training video.